It's helpful to break down the full spectrum of the sun to understand what benefits come from where. And of course, from the sun, we get all the benefits. From 200 to 400 nanometers, we have ultraviolet light. That is like blue light, it's very high frequency light. Ultraviolet light is ionizing radiation, so it causes mutations in the DNA. It's so high energy. Blue light is about 400 to 500 nanometers, and it is also called high energy visible light, and it also causes free radical production in the body and oxidative stress. So it's very high energy light that is stressful to our bodies. After blue light, you're in the visible light spectrum. From 400 to 600 nanometers, you have all the colors except red. And then red light starts at about 600 nanometers. And that's where photobiomodulation starts. Photobiomodulation is light controlling biology. It's a fancy term for light therapy. Light therapy, in terms of red and near infrared light, are wavelengths from 600 to 1,000 nanometers that are all absorbed by the cytochrome C and stimulate these mitochondrial light therapy responses in the body. So in the spectrum, that's all of visible red light and about half of near infrared. So visible red light from 600 to 700 nanometers, and near infrared light that we don't see with the naked eye that is from 600 to 1,000 nanometers. At 1,000 nanometers, we're outside of the light therapy spectrum and we get into the radiant heat therapy spectrum. Water begins to absorb light at about 980 nanometers. So that lower end of the near infrared spectrum from 1,000 to 1,500 nanometers is where we get the radiant heat. And that's why with near infrared, from the upper portion, 600 to 1,000 nanometers, we get light therapy benefits. From the 1,000 to 1,500 nanometer portion, we get the radiant heat benefits. As we proceed down the spectrum from 1,500 to 3,000 nanometers, we have mid-infrared. This is where the light becomes more strongly absorbed by water, and we get heat benefit, but the heat becomes more and more superficial. Then at 3,000 nanometers, that's where far infrared wavelengths start. That's where light at that point is 100% absorbed by water. And that's sort of the tail end of the sun spectrum.